Tonight, a group of Minneapolis police officers being hailed as heroes after MPD says they saved the lives of two young children who were overdosing. Raya Katene spoke with their supervisor, celebrating their quick action in a situation they say is all too common. Raya?
Well, Julie, we don't have all the details about what exactly happened that day because police are still in the early stages of their investigation. We do know that no arrests have been made, but if these officers did not act as quickly as they did, this could have ended very differently. A police radio call
Officer,
obtained from Open MHZ
not breathing.
is tough to hear
2 months old.
and difficult to imagine.
We were within minutes, if not seconds, of this being a terrible tragedy.
Inspector Nick Torberg leads the 2nd Precinct of the Minneapolis Police Department. Less than 72 hours into the new year, his officers responded to a medical call. A 2-month-old baby no longer breathing at a home in northeast Minneapolis.
The baby had been exposed to fentanyl and required Narcan to be stabilized.
Officers at the hospital called their colleagues back at the station who jumped to action when they learned the baby had a twin who was still at home. They headed there and called an ambulance right away.
Shortly after the baby was in the ambulance, the baby stopped breathing and required CPR. The doctors were able to revive the baby, and both are expected to survive now.
Every overdose is preventable.
Willie Pearl Evans is a community prevention lead at the Minnesota Department of Health. She works alongside epidemiologist Mary Dillaquill.
Overdoses are a definite problem. They're happening, and people are very concerned about it.
The most up-to-date data shows 1,274 Minnesotans died from a drug overdose in 2023, a drop in the number of deaths for the first time in 5 years.
Fentanyl was involved in 70% of those deaths.
Given these two children overdosing, it informs us that there's more work to be done.
For now, Torberg is proud 2 of his officers,
They're humble officers.
too humble to be on camera, were there to help save 2 tiny lives.
The emergency room doctor who worked on the second infant approached him and shook his hand and told him that his actions saved the baby's life.
Professionals with the Minnesota Department of Health emphasize that resources are available for people who are struggling with addiction. You can find those right now on KARE11.com. Julie.